I knew you'd be back. Now it's finally time to learn Love Yourself by the Beeps. Let's get right to it. The song's pretty simple, so it's a nice and easy introduction to real finger-picked songs. If you don't know the song, you should check it out now. We'll be playing the main riff that's playing right in the beginning of the song. Now, in this song, we're going to jump around the fretboard a lot, but the technique is the same as we've done so far. Start by placing your first finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string. Then slide your first finger down to the 6th fret. Then go down to the 4th fret, still with the first finger. Try this a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, start with your first finger on the 9th fret. Then, just like last time, move your first finger down, this time to the 7th fret. And then end on the 6th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you can do that, try playing both together with the first one and then the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it doesn't sound like the song yet, so we'll fill it in the next video.